All right. Trade recap. Here we go. So basically, coming into the morning, I was bullish. Um, I forgot to mark this out because this was something that I was looking for. Um, Coming into the morning, I was bullish. I was looking for London highs on ES, or just I guess the buy side because it's technically not London. Um, so yeah, I was bullish because I mean high time frame we're respecting uh bullish PD rays. So like off open, I wanted to see us come down, take this 15-minute internal low, get a long up to these uh levels right here. And then I mean, oh fuck me. And then you can see, I mean, I don't know if the hourly is gonna fucking do this bullshit. Yeah, whatever. I mean, you can see we're respecting bullish PD rays. Like, boom. I don't know. It's obvious. So I was bullish to London highs, these equal highs on ES. I just wanted to see, you know, a sweep of this low and a rejection off of it with the inversion. I want us to be able to reject it, or we can come down and take this and see if we get some sort of rejection off of that as well to look for longs. If not, if we just displace through and we're creating these 5 and 15-minute gaps, these bearish PD rays, and we come into them, we're going to trade into them without like initially taking a low or something or whatever. I'm just gonna take continuations out. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I was bullish in the morning though, at the beginning. So yeah. So here we go. Here's market open. Here's market open. Boom. We just fucking dump. We sell off hard as fuck. Right? Like, holy shit. We dump how many points off open? Almost 100. So, yeah. Right now, I'm just looking for 5 and 15-minute gaps to be respected to the downside. Right now, I'm just very clearly bearish. Only way, like, honestly, to be fair, after this such strong of a dump, I would only want to be taking, like, I don't even think I'd want to really take longs in general, but it'd be, like, more continuation longs or something, or unless we had, like, clear, like, like, this was just such, like, a fucking dump. I'd rather have, like, a generation of liquidity. But as you can see, we throw in an SMT with this low right here, and then obviously this low as well. But yeah, we throw in an SMT at the lows. I'm still really not concerned about it because we are still showing very bearish order flow. So boom, we throw in the 5-minute right there. I'm looking for us to have 10 a.m. open high and then low close. So I want to see us trade into that 5 or 15-minute gap above and then look for shorts out of it. So here's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. opens high. We come into the 5-minute gap. There was a potential 2-minute short right here that I didn't get because we didn't inverse, which I was honestly happy about that we didn't get that. I wanted to see this 15-minute more get traded into. So boom, here's us trading into the 15-minute gap. We throw in an SMT at the highs, and then here on the 2-minute time frame, or 3-minute time frame, my bad, we create this fair value gap right here. I then want to see this get inversed for me to enter shorts, targeting these equal lows. And then boom, boo-hoo, you can't fucking enter because this is negative risk to reward ratio. And yes, took the fucking break even low. So I was like, All right, yeah, well, I'll just not take this. Um, Hopefully we can just generate more liquidity and take more like a continuation either out of this, or we take the high and then just have more low resistant liquidity to run through, right? So unfortunately can't take that 3 minute, but it doesn't really matter to me because I think I would have got broke even or some shit if we had the entry. But now we're just generating more low resistant liquidity. This is literally a PDI, a continuation as well, like a PDI short. So basically right here on ES we have a 5 minute. NQ we don't. We have a 4 minute though. So I was looking at ES for this to see if we could reject this 5 minute. We did. Took these equal highs at this 5 minute. Boom. What do we do here after taking our internal high? We have a 1 minute fair value gap. So I'm looking for a price to inverse this. Boom, we do. I enter short here with 2 micros. Break even at the accumulation zone low and take profit at these equal lows. As you can see, when I enter, ES did take the break even low. This was very discretionary of me. I don't know if that's correct or not, but I was using discretion, I guess, with still taking this entry. The reason behind me still entering off of this is not only like, all right, sure, the setup's great. That really doesn't matter because, I mean, once you're break even, whether the setup looks great or not, once there's an SMT there, it really takes away probability. But the reason being is as it's wicked now, but reason being is at this point in time, we still had all of this low resistant liquidity here on ES to be taken out. Yes, there's an SMT there, but if you look even deeper, we still have our new week opening gap. We just look here. We just finished our market maker buy model, so I'm expecting a sell off to like these lows or some shit still. So we have, like I said, we still have, bro. Why is it not in replay? Whatever. We still had this generated high time frame, low resistant liquidity once we took my break evens low. So I entered, and I don't know why the fuck it does this shit. I enter still, and I enter with 2 micros at that price. Boom. And then we get a sell-off. Boom, stop loss to break even. We take our accumulation zone low, so I'm risk-free here. And then on this candle, we don't take profit, but here we close through all this high time frame LR. I have to cut that out. Let me re-say what I was just saying. So on the same candle, we go through all the high time frame low resistant liquidity on ES, and we take out these equal lows on NQ. So like from here, then I'd be looking for longs. I'd be fine with longing if given an opportunity. I wouldn't look for a fucking full reversal because again, you know, we did sell off pretty hard, and then we do have like, you know, these draws and liquidity. We still have this new week opening gap from Sunday, so, or Monday, whatever you want to call it, technically Sunday. So yeah, great setup. And yeah, longs aren't playing out. But yeah, no, I'd say this is an A+ setup. With us having an SMT, fucking 10 a.m. open low high close, or open high low close. My fault. SMT open high low close. We have a continuation with low resistant liquidity, equal lows. I mean, this was an A+ setup. This was a very A+ setup that I took here. And yeah, so a 1-to-1, perfect fucking. This was perfect. Just a perfect 1-to-1. And then I brought in just over $400 today off this. I think it's like what 130 or whatever. Wait, 130 something across 3 accounts. So yeah, nice little dub here. Fuck yeah. Wait, what was my what's this account at? What's my live at? Alright, yeah, it's fair. But yeah, A+ setup. I couldn't ask for like anything better out of fucking not being able to enter for this. If I got my perfect entry, I was like calculating if I like got like, you know, just like 3-minute candle closure, just like, you know, it's probably around here. I enter with fucking 3, probably 2 or 3 micros. I can't remember how much it would have been. 2 or 3 micros, regardless. Overall, I think total I would have made like almost fucking $700 on the day. That would have been insane. But because it was like a fucking here. I mean, like, I think the oh, that's really close. Let's give it a little bit more room. Let's say stop loss here. Okay, 2 micros probably. Fucking 71 times, yeah, 71 times 4. Yeah, we're entering with 2 micros. 71 times 4. What is that? 71 times 4 times 2. I mean, 71 times 4 times 3. 852. I would have made fucking over double what I made if I had the entry for that. That would have been insane, but I don't know, it's whatever. I don't really care. I'm happy I got what I got. But yeah, is there? Imagine I look for a re-entry. Oh, this shit inversed? Oh, poor guy. Dude, could you imagine being in this long? Because this is like I kind of understand why you would long this. Oh my god, that sucks. That really, really sucks. I mean, you're still not stopped out if you stopped a low, but I mean, it's bound to. I mean, let's see, dude. Like, what the fuck did we reject? 1 minute. Yeah, you're bound to get stopped out. That sucks. That really, really sucks. It's a fat stop loss, too. God damn. Yeah, you'd probably have that you'd be stopped out, probably, because, I mean, you'd probably just, like, throw it at, like, this order block or some shit. If you have your stop here, and you're in a long, and it actually ends up playing out, props to you, motherfucker, because god damn. Like, fuck. It's a massive stop. But yeah, regardless, that's it. A+ setup, dope day. Here, I'll show executions, I guess. I don't know if I technically don't even need to do that anymore, because I can just show this. Like, it's pretty obvious I fucking entered. And then Q. Sold. Bought. So yeah, that's about it. A+ setup. Yeah, that's all. So yeah.